In a world obsessed with noise, Susan CAIN's book, Quiet, the Power of Introverts, challenges our views, revealing the unseen force of introverts. Discover how silence speaks volumes and why the quiet ones might just hold the key to unlocking profound strength and creativity. Introverts, often seen as quiet or reserved, possess a deep world within. They thrive in solitude, where reflection and deep thought flourish. Extroverts draw energy from the external world, thriving in lively environments. But remember, we all slide along the introvert-extrovert spectrum, adapting to our surroundings and internal cues. Society's lens on introversion and extroversion has evolved. In the past, the culture of character celebrated the quiet strength of introverts. Today, the culture of personality often elevates extroversion. Yet, in various cultures and philosophies, the introspective, contemplative nature of introverts is revered, offering a balanced perspective in our interconnected world. Introverts harness their power through focus and perseverance. Consider how Albert Einstein's introversion contributed to his groundbreaking discoveries. Introverts' ability to delve deep, to sustain attention on complex tasks, paves the way for innovation and mastery. Their journey isn't about seeking the spotlight, but about the relentless pursuit of insights and solutions. Can you think of a time when your introverted or extroverted traits helped you overcome a challenge or achieve a goal? How did that feel? The creative prowess of introverts is unparalleled. Like J.K. Rowling, whose quiet moment on a train birthed the wizarding world of Harry Potter. Introverts draw from their rich inner lives to create profound art, literature, and innovation. Their preference for meaningful, deep relationships over broad, shallow networks cultivates connections that are rich in understanding and empathy. Embrace your introverted essence. Find solace in your restorative niche, whether it's a serene garden, a quiet room, or a peaceful mind space. In a world that often rewards the loudest voices, remember that your quiet presence is a reservoir of insight and stability. By honoring your introverted nature, you create a life that resonates with authenticity and deep fulfillment. Imagine a world where your introverted qualities are celebrated. How would this change your daily life or the choices you make? Quiet by Susan CAIN isn't merely a book, it's a shout-out for introverts, illuminating the path to self-acceptance and empowerment. It encourages us all, regardless of where we fall on the spectrum, to embrace and celebrate the diverse expressions of human nature. In understanding introversion, we unlock the door to a more inclusive, compassionate, and balanced world.